everyone. Today the topic is generalized property correlations for the gases. So we need heat capacities and PVT data, that is a pressure, volume and temperature data for the evaluation of thermodynamic properties. So we take P equal to PC PR and T equal to TC TR. So when you make the differentiation, then dP is equal to PC dPr and dt is equal to TC dTr. So by substituting this, we get the equations of HR by RTC is equal to minus TR square integral 0 to PR dou Z by dou TR at PR into dPr by PR. Similarly, we get another equation, that is SR by R is equal to minus TR integral 0 to PR dou Z by dou TR at PR into dPr by PR minus integral 0 to PR Z minus 1 dPr by PR. So the correlation for Z is Z is equal to Z0 plus omega Z prime. So Z is the compressibility factor. So differentiating this, we get dou Z by dou TR at PR is equal to dou Z0 by dou TR at PR plus omega dou Z prime by dou TR at PR. So substituting for Z and dou Z by dou TR at PR gives the values as HR by RTC becomes equal to minus TR square integral 0 to PR dou Z0 by dou TR at PR into dPr by PR minus omega TR square integral 0 to PR dou Z prime by dou TR at PR into dPr by PR. Similarly, if you substitute for SR by R, we get minus integral 0 to PR TR dou Z0 by dou TR at PR plus Z0 minus 1 into dPr by PR minus omega integral 0 to PR TR into dou Z prime by dou TR at PR plus Z prime into dPr by PR. So you can see the integrals on the right hand side can be evaluated from the data for Z0 and for various values of TR and PR. So the second integral is evaluated from the data for Z prime. The above equations can be written as HR by RTC is equal to HR naught by RTC plus omega HR prime by RTC. Similarly, SR by R is equal to SR naught by R plus omega SR prime by R. So here the equation relating Z to the functions B naught and B prime is derived as Z is equal to 1 plus B naught PR by TR plus omega B prime PR by TR. Then differentiating that equation, we get dou Z by dou TR at PR, which is equal to PR into dB naught by dTr by TR minus B naught by TR square plus omega PR into dB prime by dTr by TR minus B prime by TR square. So substituting these equations in the above equation, we get HR by RTC becomes equal to minus TR integral 0 to PR dB naught by dTr minus B naught by TR plus omega dB prime by dTr minus B prime by TR into dPr. Similarly, SR by R can be written as minus integral 0 to PR dB naught by dTr minus omega dB prime by dTr into dPr. So here B naught and B prime are functions of temperature only. So integrating at constant temperature gives the equations like HR by RTC is equal to PR into B naught minus TR dB naught by dTr plus omega into B prime minus TR dB naught by dTr. Similarly, SR by R is equal to minus PR dB naught by dTr plus omega dB prime by dTr. So these are the equations we are getting. So similarly, we can write the dependence of B naught and B prime on reduced temperature is given by the following equations. That is, B naught is equal to 0.083 minus 0.422 by TR power 1.6. So when you differentiate this equation, you get dV naught by dTr is equal to 0.675 by TR power 2.6. Similarly, B prime is 0.139 minus 0.172 by TR power 4.2. So dV prime by dTr becomes equal to 0.722 by TR power 5.2. So in this way we can derive the equations for HR and SR by using the second virial coefficients and also the compressibility factor. So this is about the generalized property correlation for the gases. So thank you very much. So please subscribe my video. Please subscribe my channel and please share my videos. Thank you so much.